Have you ever wanted to draw your very own Easter bunny hatching out of a colorful egg? Well, you're in luck. In this easy Easter drawing tutorial, we'll show you how to draw a cheerful Easter bunny hatch using just a pencil and your imagination. So grab your pencils, sharpen those crayons, and let's hop right in. Step 1. Draw the bottom half of the eggshell. Step 2. Add stripes to the egg. Step 3. Add the bunny's body peeking out. Step 4. Draw the bunny's head. Step 5. Add one full ear. Step 6. Add fluff and detail the first ear. Step 7. Draw the second floppy ear. Step 8. Add the bunny's facial details. Step 9. Color your drawing.